Hello, today we will guide you through how to switch to demo account on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the live view into the practice or demo environment so you can explore the platform and place test trades without risking real money. This is perfect for getting comfortable with the layout, testing ideas, and understanding how orders behave before you commit capital. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or launching the app. Once you're in your account, focus on the top of the screen. You're looking for the main menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. It's sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it typically sits along the top bar. On smaller screens, it may be tucked into the corner, but it will look the same, 3 simple lines. Click those 3 lines to open the main navigation. A side panel will slide in, revealing a longer list of options. This panel can run past the bottom of your screen, so don't worry if you don't immediately see what you need. Now scroll down through this menu until you find the option labeled Switch to Practice. Take your time here. The list can be fairly comprehensive, and the practice switch is positioned a bit farther down. If you're on a laptop or desktop, use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll. On mobile or tablet, swipe up within the menu. Click Switch to Practice. The platform will switch you into the demo environment. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a practice balance and clear indicators that you're operating in practice mode. All market data and features remain accessible, but any trade you place here will not affect your real funds. From here, choose the part of the platform you want to practice in. If your goal is to simulate buying and holding stocks or ETFs, click on Invest. This opens the Invest Practice account where you can explore placing market or limit orders, managing a watch list, and seeing how your positions would perform over time. It's a great way to rehearse long-term or unleveraged strategies in a realistic setting. Alternatively, if you want to experiment with leveraged products and short-term trading tools, click on CFD. In the CFD practice account, you can familiarize yourself with margin, stop losses, and take profit orders, as well as how price moves affect leveraged positions. Remember, even though this is practice, treat it like the real thing so your learning transfers effectively. That's it. You're now in practice mode on Trading 212, ready to explore, test, and build confidence safely.